I'm Brian Bowman, and this is my mechatronics final project. For my final project, I made a baby mobile for my newborn son. The components of the baby mobile is there's a DC motor, which turns the mobile, which gives him something to look at. The DC motor is turned on by an IR remote and receiver. The receiver is up here. There's also the LCD screen, which has a little message for my son, as well as says whether the DC motor is off or on. There's also a photoresistor, which detects the amount of light, which will turn on LEDs for when it is dark and we're trying to get him to sleep. This is a close-up of the components of my baby mobile. There's an L2 93D chip, which helps control the DC motor. There's also an IR receiver sensor, which receives the signal from the IR remote. There's a photoresistor, which detects the amount of light, which turns on LED lights. The baby mobile operates using the IR remote to turn the DC motor on. The LCD screen will change from off to on as I do this. You can hear the DC motor working, as well as it's spinning the mobile. I can also turn it off and the display will change to off once again. The other feature of the baby mobile is when the lights go off, there will be LEDs that will turn on, which will help to entertain my son. As you notice, the lights are off and there are blue and red LEDs that flash.